Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the substituents on the benzene ring. From the structural drawing, the benzene ring bears 3 bromine, Br, atoms and 3 chlorine, Cl, atoms at alternating and adjacent positions. Moving on to the next step. Number the ring to give the lowest possible locants. Assign numbering starting at one of the bromine-bearing carbons and proceed around the ring to minimize locant set. Moving on to the next step. Reading the structure, the substituents are placed as follows: Br at C1, top, Br at C2, top right, Cl at C3, bottom right, Cl at C4, bottom, Br at C5, bottom left, Cl at C6, top left. This gives Br at positions 1, 2, 5 and Cl at positions 3, 4, 6. And for the final step, verify this numbering gives the lowest locant set. The set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is fully substituted. Comparing alphabetically, Br comes before Cl, so we cite Br first, 1, 2, 5, tribromo, then Cl, 3, 4, 6, trichloro. Construct the IUPAC name by listing substituents alphabetically, bromo before chloro, with their locants 1, 2, 5, tribromo, 3, 4, 6, trichlorobenzene. Therefore, the correct answer is 1, 2, 5, tribromo, 3, 4, 6, trichlorobenzene. The correct answer is shown on screen.